Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today's tutorial is how to install Oracle Apex 24.2 and ORDS latest with Oracle Database 19c and configure with Apache Tomcat. So here is my blog site and script is here. First, install Oracle Apex. Go to the Apex folder location. This is my Apex folder. I'll take this location. Go to command prompt and this. Here write the cd and d clone. Here now log into the SQL Plus. Then go on to my sysdba and give the password. And actually my database is pluggable database, so I will go to my pluggable database by using the altered session. Altered session set container. My pluggable database name is WordCLPDB, and I can check also here show PDBS WordCLPDB. Default table space format. Okay, this is the command apex init.sql sysoc temp. Actually, I didn't create any extra table space. I am installing on the default table space. Okay, it will take a few moments. I want to skip it. Okay, now I will set the Apex administrative password. Here my username I'll give the admin, and I can provide any email here. It is gmail.com, and here I'll give the Oracle standard password. Now water user Apex public user account unlock. Okay, here alter user public user identified by password. Here I use a very small password, but in real life you will use a complex password. Now install Apex REST config. Here give the Apex listener password same as the sys password, and Apex REST public user password also as like the sys password. All password will be same. Okay, now install ZTK 17 or later version. Here I have a ZTK file F24, and also I already installed it. Now go to the C drive and make a folder. Here go to the C drive. This is the C drive, and I'll make a folder app. In this folder I'll make two folders, ORDS, and the folder name is config. In the config folder I'll make another folder, ORDS. In ORDS I'll create a folder logs. Now from my Apex folder I'll copy the ORDS and go to the C drive in the app ORDS folder and paste it, and also extract here, extract all. Okay, so before install the ORDS, go to the SQL Plus, connect to the sysdba in the container session, sysdba password, and this is the actually container session, and here I will write alter user sys identified by s account unlock container wall. Okay, after all, actually my PDB database is Warshell PDB, so here everything is set. I will run this, paste, and last one is altered. Here is the setup file, ORDS configuration file. Copy this and go to the C drive ORDS file, and here I'll make a base file. Actually base file is a script file, ords.bat. Its extension is bat, that is called base file, and here right click on it and click edit and paste this. Here look at this, this is the ORDS home that I make in the C drive, C app ORDS config. This is my host name, localhost, DB port 1521, Warshell PDB, everything is okay, and save. Okay. So now in the ORDS location, now I will go to the CMD, run as administrator. Here I write cd means change directory, and go to the ORDS location and click here. I will run my ORDS base file. Here I am seeing my, okay, enter the database password for sysdba, same as my system password. Okay, okay. Here I'm seeing complete configuration PLSQL gateway for the Oracle registered data service. Okay. Now another step, and here For setting the path, I'll write it in the CMD. Okay, success. And another one. Okay. Now install Apache Tomcat. Go to the folder, drive Apex setup folder. Here I can see Apache Tomcat and run as administrator. Okay, next, and here scroll down until the last portion. You can also do it. I agree. Next, here I keep the port connector port 8080 default, no problem. Here the username admin and password is admin. Next, and install. And finish. It is trying to start the Apache Tomcat. Okay, now go to the CMD command prompt again. Okay, and I'll set the Catalina. Control C drive program files. Okay, and make a directory in the Catalina. The web apps, I'll make a folder I. Okay, now go to the Apex folder and copy the image file. This is the Apex folder, Apex latest, Apex and images. Sorry, here the images. And Control A and Control C. Now go to C drive, program files, Apache software, Tomcat, continue, web apps. In the I folder, I'll paste it. Okay, we are at the last moment. Now go to the folder C drive and copy ORDS word. So go to folder C drive, in the F ORDS, and copy the ORDS word, copy, and in the same C drive program files, Apache software Tomcat, and here web apps, and paste here. And in the Apache Tomcat bin location, here Tomcat 9w.exe file, double click on it. Yes, and in the Java section, Java option, paste this location, apply. Okay, and I will here restart my Apache, stop service, and run the service again. And here write the location URL, localhost. My port now is 8080, and click on it. Okay, successfully complete install Oracle Apex 24.2 and ORDS latest and configuration with Apache Tomcat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.